Hello everyone, this is Kingdom UX. We are right at Content 9. This is our ninth edition of this video, of this teaching version that we have been doing. And we are here to talk about design system. Not forget that we are teaching on UI UX design. And also remember that UI is user interface and UX is user experience. So our duty is to bring about the perfect teaching line for you to be able to comprehend and understand the depth of what it takes to be a UI UX designer. Here we have design systems. Design systems are first a collection of reusable components of standard guidelines that help teams to come about consistent, scalable, and efficient digital products. When we talk about digital products, what does it mean? It talks about websites, it talks about app, be creating a page for a particular product to sell. Anything that is data and needs an interface. You get so it acts as a single source of truth for that product. So this also help keep the designers and the developers to come about a uniformity across the product interface. In every design system, there are key components of that design system. So as a designer, there are key components the components you should have at the back of your mind. First, we have a library. What is a library? A library is a place where you have a reusable UI elements such as buttons, inputs, and fields that include navigation menus. Yeah, are you getting it? So we also have typography. You should have a library base where you have 10 series of fonts. So, typography here is acting as a guide. So, typography here is under a design system, although you should also have a library for font. So, typography as a guideline for design system gives you guidelines for font sizes, weight, line, height, and text spacing. So, there's also hierarchy based on the heading, the body text, and the captions for the sake of readability. So the third design system is color palette. You see, color is one of the major things. It's even part of the key element of design. It's also part of the design system. If you cannot but know color, color is that much important. So the whole system of knowing of color is called the color palette. A color palette is that system in which is an organized system of colors and how they work. So a well-defined set of primary, secondary, and neutral colors in your mind is very needed, and it is very, very guided. This includes shades for states like active and error message. So the fourth design system we have is spacing and layout. So spacing and layout. This gives you the rules for the margins that you use. Are you getting it? The margins that you use, the paddings, then the grid system to maintain alignment and balance. The fifth one is iconography. This makes sure you have your own well-researched use of icons. Icons that you use more frequently. It helps keep your work in track so they don't lose alignment. So we also have consistency in usage of icons. We also have interaction patterns. This is the sixth design system. We have predefined behavior for components that like drop down and tooltip. What is a drop down? A drop down is a list of choices. When you click a button, the choices that come under that is a drop down. We also have a tooltip. A tooltip is when you click an element on the website, an app, and then a brief message comes or a brief instruction or something you should know. That is what a tooltip. Now, having known all this, I think we already have in mind how we design your system. Because remember, what makes you a successful designer is not how talented you are. with how much that you follow principles and guidelines that guides the system of design. Thank you for listening. Always watch out for our videos, and we are in the business of making you better every day. Thank you.